All right, so after some elusive commentary on my Twitter, here we are with the device that's going to bench either my BlackBerry KEY2 or my iPhone 11 Pro. Now, if you paid attention to my channel, you know that I had the Pixel 4. If you followed my Twitter, you probably saw that I was very, 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 very disappointed with the battery life on it. So they had the cool sale for Black Friday, actually starting before Black Friday, and I went ahead and I bought this baby to fill the Pixel 4 void in my life. Now, here we are. No more surprise. It's the Pixel 4 XL. So this has a 1000 milliamp larger battery than the Pixel 4. It also has a larger screen, and I totally love the Pixel 4. I love the camera, I love the interface. Android 10 is flawless. It was a gorgeous phone. I love the facial recognition stuff. I didn't even care. It didn't have a fingerprint sensor on it. So here we are with the Pixel 4 XL. Now, I'm still debating which SIM card is going to go in here. We'll have to figure that out over the next 24 to 48 hours, I suppose. But the SIM card is going in here because I'm going to carry this because I miss having it. Oh, forgot, I don't need the knife for this part. So no more unboxing surgery. They put these nice little pull tabs right here. 1 and 2. So I was a little upset with the original price tag on the Pixel 4 itself, being $799, and then the Pixel 4 XL being $899. I picked this one up for $699 because they had it $200 off on Google starting on the 24th of November, which is a steal of a deal. So we're talking now, like before, it was like, okay, the Pixel 4 $799, the iPhone 11 $699. This is the Pixel 4 XL for $699, and at that price point with the extended battery life that you get on here, I think is a much more serious contender when we're talking about the world of Pixel. So I got the white one again. Of course, the orange one was still sold out. And honestly, I don't really care for the orange one that much. It looks cool. It's just not my own individual style. So here we are. And then, the black one has the glass on it. This one has the matte finish. So I really like the white one the first go around. So I went with the white one this go around too. So everything really is identical on this other than just the screen size and the battery life. But it is nice. I mean, it's still well balanced. It's got a good feel in the hand, and I'm super, super excited about having my 90 hertz refresh rate back on my phone again because I was really kind of getting used to that, especially playing Mario Kart as much as I was. So I'm totally happy to have that back. And I'm going to be putting this through the paces as well because, well, we need to see how good this one is, and we need to see how good the battery life is. So I'll be going through, of course, testing it on full max with the 90 hertz force rate on there with the high brightness and all that cool stuff. And also, with some of the more adaptive features to see how much battery we can squeeze out of this, optimize the way that it's supposed to, and then how much we can squeeze out of it when we want max power mode with max brightness. So, yeah. So here we are, Pixel 4 XL, super cool phone. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, go through the rest of the unboxing here. Same stuff as before. Documentation in the SIM card, nothing too crazy in there. We have our USB cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C. We have our MTD adapter so we can do our device transfer stuff. I don't have my original Pixel anymore, but I did back it up before I returned it, so I should just be able to log in and take care of that. And then, of course, here we have the very large power brick. I think it's 18 watt. But either way, pretty simple as far as the unboxing. Google is very simple and elegant with the things that they put in there. So there's nothing too crazy in there to write home about. It's all white. I actually don't know if the accessories are color coordinated for the other phones as well, whether it's orange or black, but I don't know if it's all white accessories or not. I've never actually looked into that. But here we are, the unboxing for the Google Pixel 4 XL, and time to have some fun with this device. So if you have any questions about this one, please feel free to leave them down in the comments section. I will get back with you. I will be enjoying using this, and we'll see how things go. So thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, hit the like and the subscribe button. I appreciate you being here. Hit the little notification bell if you want access and notifications to the latest and greatest. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.